Hello, my name is Lizzie Herrera, Program Associate in the Horticulture Department for the University of Arkansas System Division of Agriculture. Follow along with us for a 6-part video series where we'll cover the basics of managing a rotating cross-arm trellis in blackberry systems. Blackberries in the southeast are commonly trellised on a T or V post trellis system, where floricanes are trained on either side of the trellis wires, creating a V that allows space for the primicanes to come up in the middle. This allows for an increase in airflow and sunlight exposure throughout the canopy. These trellising systems also help separate the floricanes and keep fruit off the ground. However, a major limitation of the trellis is that the fruit is highly exposed to the sun, and the tall plant canopy makes applying row covers difficult, limiting the success of protecting plants during cold events. A newer trellising system, called the rotating cross-arm trellis, otherwise known as the RCA, has started to grow in popularity as an alternative training system to the standard T-trellis. The rotating cross-arm trellis is designed to rotate the crop canopy so that the canes can be laid on the ground in the winter or spring, where a row cover can easily be applied. The trellis can then be oriented to have all of the fruit on the north side in the shade during harvest. The potential benefits of this system are to help growers reduce fruit loss due to winter or spring cold events, reduce fruit loss caused by sun exposure, and lower harvest labor costs. The RCA trellis system does have higher upfront costs compared to a T or V trellis and may require more labor to train canes. However, growers in areas with a high risk of cold injury or high heat have found the benefits of the system to be worth the investment. The unique design and cane training on the RCA trellis creates a narrow canopy that increases airflow and decreases humidity within the canopy, which in our research at the University of Arkansas has shown to reduce some insect pests and diseases. Additionally, our research has found that the RCA gets better spray coverage due to the narrow canopy. Training the canes to fruit on the shaded side of the trellis has also been shown in our research to not only reduce fruit sunburn, but also make harvesting easier, potentially lowering labor costs. The ability to rotate the trellis also gives growers the chance to protect the plants with row covers during freeze events. Over the past 5 years, horticulture production extension specialist Dr. Amanda McWhirt has been studying the RCA trellis at the Fruit Research Station in Clarksville, Arkansas, for impacts on yield, fruit quality, and pest pressure, as well as testing different training methods that may improve the efficiency of the system. Through this research, the RCA trellising system has the potential to improve marketable fruit yield, fruit quality, reduce pest pressure, and reduce harvest labor costs for blackberry growers across the state. Tune in for part 2 of our RCA series, where we'll walk you through an entire season using a rotating cross-arm trellis system. Be sure to visit www.uaex.uada.edu/RCA for additional information and resources on using a rotating cross-arm trellis in blackberry systems. A special thank you to the Arkansas Department of Agriculture and the USDA Specialty Crop Block Grant Program for their support of this project. Thanks so much for watching!